If you're on social media to promote your business, it's really great to get as many followers as possible, right? Isn't it nice when your mum decides to follow your business account on social media because, well, she's your mum, she wants to support you. That's a good idea, right? You've just set up your Facebook business account and you decide to show all of your friends and ask them to follow you. That's a good idea, isn't it? Now, all of these things are wrong, and I'm about to tell you why. All social media platforms work in pretty much the same way. They want you to stay on their platform for as long as possible so they can show you adverts and get you to buy stuff. That's how they make their money. So the algorithm decides to show you the posts that are likely to keep you on their channel for longer. So therefore it learns what kind of things you like and shows you the posts that are the most popular. But there's a problem. Let's say you've asked all of your friends to like or follow your business page. Now, there's a fair chance many of them are going to do that because, well, they're your friends, they're just being nice. Or how about this? You go onto a local Facebook group, maybe a local business group, and ask all of the people on there to follow your business page, and in return, you'll follow theirs. Seems like a good idea, right? No. If you want your business page to succeed and attract new customers into your business, the algorithm needs to know what those kind of people are like. The more the algorithm knows about your ideal client, the better it's going to be at showing your content to the same kind of people that don't already follow you. But if your followers are kind of a mix of people with lots of different interests and age groups and come from lots of different areas, then the algorithm's going to be confused. It won't know who your ideal client is, and your reach will go down. It'll share your posts to fewer people because it doesn't really know who your people are. Let me put it another way, and I'm going to do that with a bit of help from these four people. I'm going to start a radio station that plays 24/7 Abba to the people of Stockholm, because that's where Abba came from. So I've set up an Instagram page and I've invited all of my friends to follow it. Now there's a problem. Most of my friends aren't really that into Abba. In fact, they much rather listen to heavy rock or metal. But they're my friends and they're really nice and they want to support me, so they all follow me. But my friends, the non-Abba fans, aren't really the type of people that I want to attract to my business page. Therefore, they're less likely to interact with my posts because they're not really into Abba, and the algorithm will think that my non-Abba fans are Abba fans when in fact they're off listening to Metallica. Ultimately, my Abba radio station ain't going to do very well, and the good people of Stockholm aren't going to hear Dancing Queen at the top of every hour. So the lesson learned here is if you invite the wrong people to like your business page, your performance is going to go down because they're not interested in what you've got to say. So what's the solution? Well, invite the right people for starters. If some of your friends love Abba and live in Stockholm, great, invite them. They're going to be listening to the radio station, they'll support you, and they'll love all of your stuff on your business page. But if most of your friends aren't really interested in rocking out to Mamma Mia, they're not going to love any of your stuff, don't invite them. And if you've already made this mistake and already added all your friends, then go through and delete the ones who you know aren't interested, because that's going to help the algorithm to ultimately understand what type of people you do want to attract to your business. So go grab a coffee or something stronger, stick on some Dancing Queen, and get to it. Be brave. Go on. What are you waiting for? Go do it now. Bye.